Good morning, all. Very good morning. Okay, last class function topic completed now. Okay, today we are going to discuss about recursion or recursive functions. Okay, now what is called recursion or recursive function concept? Okay, just watch it, guys. Now I'm going to explain about recursion concept. First, recursion meaning is what? Function calling itself. That's all. Simply, a function when it is calling itself is called it is a recursion or recursive function. Okay, that means what? Now you are getting a doubt, sir. Function calling itself meaning is what? Okay, and just to take a look on this very simple example. Just watch it. Suppose I am going to start one example. Hash include some str.h, hash include conio.h, main function, and printf I. That's all. Okay, it is my program, guys. Fan switches above one, above also, above. Right. Now watch it, guys. What is called here recursion concept? 1 minute, everybody take a look on this. Right now, it is a main function. It is a printf function. Both are functions or not? Yes, both are function, no doubt at all. Now, can I say here main is the caller? Main is the and printf is the callee or not? Now tell me, guys. Here caller name is what? And callee name? Printf. Caller and callee both same or different? Different, no? Now watch it. Both are same now. Come on. Here who is the caller? And main is calling which one? Means main is the caller and again main is the means function calling itself. The function is calling itself. Now it is nothing but recursion technique. Got it? When a function is calling itself, we are calling it is recursion technique. Okay. Next watch, guys. This time, maybe guess it answer of this program. Anybody? This program answer. Infinitive time high printed. After some time, your program not responding. See that? After some time, it is not responding. See that? Why? Because stack overflow occurred. Okay, because of it causes infinitive. It causes infinitive. But how the program giving infinitive? Okay, how this program giving infinitive? Logic simple. First program execution starts with main and inside the main printf. Printf work is what? High printed. Later again, a main is calling main means main calling this now. Logic understood? Now, anyone observe that? In this situation, first main is calling the main or not? And this main is what? Caller. This main is the? But later, this main is calling this one now? That means now it is the caller. And now it is the Kali or not? Okay. And now tell me in this example, caller and Kali both are same or not, guys? This technique is called recursion technique. Okay. When caller and Kali both are same, we are calling it is a recursion technique. Okay. Now how many times high printed? Infinitive number of times. And tell me, guys, in this example, any while loop, do while loop, for loop is there. But program repeated one time or many times. That means based on this, by using recursion, okay, by using recursion technique, we can find out the result without using loops. Come on. కీబోర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏదో మధ్యలో వస్తుంది, పనిచేస్తుంది, మధ్యలో అయిపోతుంది. ఒకసారి తీసి పెట్టి మళ్ళీ ఇటా అన్ని పని చేస్తుంది. ఒక్కోసారి అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. Now tell me, guys, here caller Kali both are same. And now tell me in this example there is no loop but working like a now listen carefully, listen. In interview they're asking the question, find the factorial value without using loop. Indirectly they're asking, find the factorial without using loop. Immediately how to remember? Recursion technique. Find the power value without using loop. Find the digital sum. Okay. Find the length of a string. Anything. Prime number. Anything. Okay. Without loop they are asking means immediately how to remember? Recursion technique only. Okay. And now I'm going to show you that. Okay. For example, here high printed how many times? Infinitive. But I want to print 10 times. I want to print 10 times, but I'm not going to use loop. Okay. Then watch it, guys. I'm declaring one global. Okay, only 1 minute online students. The system is giving trouble. I'm going to restart the system 1 minute. Everyone understood online students? Okay, the keyboard is not working out of the system. Got it? Okay, first I'm going to check it out. High function only how many times? 10 times. Then take a global variable. Okay. Now watch it. I'm taking a global variable and a value starting 1. Okay. Suppose, guys, watch it. Void main. Now puts off high and again main function. And now it is infinitive now. No doubt it is giving infinitive. And next watch it. int a equal to 1. Here after printing high a plus plus. If a less than or equal to 10, go to main. Now tell me. First a value is what? First time. Okay, only 5 times enough. And first high printed now. A plus plus. Come on. 2 less than or equal to 5. Main high printed now. 3, 4, 5. How many times printed, guys? 5 times. Okay. And now watch it, guys. 5 times printed or again infinite or not. Okay. And the system closed automatically. See that the NTVDM CPU has encountered an illegal instruction. Close the program. See that your C compiler closed or not. But why? Actually, the loop have to repeat how many number of times? 5 times. But it is going to again infinitive, no? Logic simple. Because of a is a local variable. Now what happened? A value starting. I printed a plus plus 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Call the main. Program goes to main. And again int a equal to 1. Means 2 becomes. Now print high. Again a plus plus. Now a less than or equal. Again a value. Means it is never reached the 5. That's why infinitive forms. That's why we are having two solutions for this. One is static variable. Define a static variable. When it is a static variable, what happened? Only one time it is initialized. This line is working only first time only. Remember, this line is working only the first time. After that, this line not working, only increment is working. Your problem solved, see that? How many times? How many times? Otherwise, there is another thing that is global variable. Now, global variable also initialized one time. See that? Again, same answer or not? That's it. Problem solved or not? Now tell me, guys, any loop? But how many times I printed? Means without loop also, we can do the examples. By using which technique? Recursion or not? It is the meaning of, okay, recursion. Got it, everyone? That's why static later we are going to discuss, Sai Kumar. Okay, it is a storage class. Static is a storage class. Now see this, guys. Here this time, I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. Then watch it. Same example. %d /t or /n, comma a. Same program now. And now a value equal to less than or equal to. Now see that. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? 10 numbers are not. And here also, any loop is there? No, but answer is there or not? Okay. Now the HR is asking, find the factorial value without using the loop. The HR question, find the factorial without using the loop, guys. Then how to find out factorial of given number without using the loop? Then take a look on this. How much easy? Watch it, guys. Now I'm going for int fact. Okay. Otherwise, better option. Long. Why? Because long means factorial value. Suppose 8 factorial, 40,320. More than integer. Integer capacity 32,767. But 8 factorial, 40,000 change. That means long integer required, no? And that's why I'm taking long. And as usual, n variable. See that, guys? N not equal to or n greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Now direct answer. That is nothing but return n into fact of n minus 1. That's it. Now tell me, any loop? In this example, any loop is there, I'm asking. No, but answer, see that. Main function, printf, for example, 5 factorial equal to %LD, comma, fact of 5. Actually, 5 factorial 120 now. 5 factorial 120 or not? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 5 4s 20. Yes or no? 23 60, 62 120, 121 120. See that answer is there or not? Okay, but loop is there or not there? No, but answer is correct. But how? Okay, how this example working? Just take a look on this, guys. I'm going to explain how this example works. It is your program, guys. Long fact of int n. If n greater than 1, return n into fact of n minus 1. Return 1. And main function. In main function, printf 5 factorial equal to percentage LD fact of 5. That's all. That's all. Only simple program. But how it is working? You know that every C program execution starts with the main function. Now it is the function calling. Now fact is calling the function, guys. Okay. Now it is going to call this function. Okay. And now n value becomes 5. 5 greater than 1. Condition true. Then return n into. Return n into. Right now n value 5 into. And now fact of. Everybody observe it. Fact of n minus 1. N minus 1 means nothing but 4. 4, no? Tell me, guys. 4 greater than 1. Because of fact is fact calling the fact. See that? Again, recursion technique or not? See that? It is what, guys? Function name. And it is what, guys? Function name. Now fact is calling the fact or not? Recursion meaning what I said? Calling the function itself, na? Now fact is calling fact. But before calling that, n minus 1. N minus 1 means 4. 4 greater than 1. True. Return n into. N into means 4 into, no? Already n value 4. Okay. Again fact of n minus 1. N minus 1. 3. Again n minus 1. 2. N minus 1. 1 or not? Now listen carefully. 3 completed. 2 also completed. Now 1. 1 less than 1. 1 greater than 1. False. When condition false. Return 1. Now tell me, guys, total answer. Come on. 120. Total answer. Now this 120 comes to here. Then final answer. 120 or not? Okay. And now tell me, guys, can I say it is nothing but n? Can I say it is nothing but n? And it is also n value or not? And now tell me, guys, n is a what in our example? N is what I am asking. int n what it is? Variable. Okay. int n is what, guys? Variable, na? Where our variable store? Where our variables generally stored? Stack. Variable stored in stack, na? That means using recursion, we are controlling the stack, na? Using recursion, we are controlling the stack expressions or not? Got it? Now it is the recursion working style. Okay? It is the recursion working style. That's why recursion is nothing but, okay, calling the function itself. Now with this advantage is what? Generally we are using while loop, for loop, do while for this. Am I right? Generally we are calling loops are the complex statements. Loops are the, why? Because in loops what happened? First you have to declare the variable. Later you have to initialize the variable. Later condition checked. When condition true, अंदर जाएगा. Later statement complete करने के बाद increment or decrement. Again condition, again statement. Lengthy process or not? Say yes or no? But here loop is there or not there? But answer is same now. And that's why recursions reduce the complexity of the program. Come on, guys. That's why using recursion also we can find out the results and the complexity of program is reduced. Okay. And second one, using recursion technique, can we control the stack expressions? Say yes or no? Yes, we can control the stack expressions. Got it, everyone? What I am saying, everyone understood? Okay. Next, guys, here there is a problem also with recursion. What is that? Already we have discussed it. First problem, they causes infinitive loops. Our first example today. Hi. What it is called? Infinitive or not? That means, okay, recursion causes first thing infinitive. Why? Because infinitive loop formed because of stack overflow. What is called stack overflow? Simple, very simple. Observe it. For example, it is our system memory. Everybody observe it. It is our system memory, nothing but stack, guys. Nothing but stack. Okay. And now what happens? See that, everybody. Suppose in this example, watch it, guys. Oh, already that is deleted. No problem. See this. Here, suppose a value 1. Okay. A value 1. Now for a, one memory allocated now. Yes or no? And now second time you are calling the function. Later a plus plus. Now 2 now. Next 3. Next 4. Next 5. And next wow, 6 now. Where is the stack? Stack already full. Infinitive means what? Endless. Infinitive means what? Because of your program not having any condition. That's why every time it is going to stack now. And now tell me, stack already full. Now the program trying to enter into stack. Now the stack is pushing outside. Means same force. System. Hang. It is called hang down. Point understood? It is called hang down. That's why it is called stack overflow. Because of after 5, 6 is able to store or not? That means 6 is coming to outside or not? At least tell me. Suppose it is a bowl, guys. Just assume it is bowl. It is 1 liter bowl. 1 liter bowl. But you are trying to store 1.5 liter milk. You are storing 1.5 liter. Up to 1 liter, any problem? But you are storing how much? Then what about remaining half liter? Coming to, it is called overflow. It is called, and which one is going to overflow? Stack. Which one is giving overflow? That's why it is called stack overflow. Got it now? It is called stack. That's why recursion, first problem, infinitive loops. Second one, it causes stack over. Next, recursion is slower than the normal functions. Another point, recursion is slower than the normal. Why? Because recursion is slower than the normal function. Right now, what it is, guys? Stack now? And anybody tell me, stack follows which concept? Very good. LIFO concept. Always stack follows LIFO. LIFO mean last in. That means first variable entered. Am I right? Later second variable. Second time entered. Third time. For example, fourth time. Fifth time. 5 factorial. Just assume. 5 factorial. First fact of 5 now. Later fact of 4 now. Come on. And later fact of 3. Okay. And later fact of. And later fact of. But at 1, the condition false or not? When condition false, LIFO follows. LIFO means last in. First. That means the first one trying to get out now. Means last one is going to get outside first time or not? And now here it is going. It is going. It is going. It is. Now tell me, how many time entering? 5 times. And how many time going outside? That means double time work now. Coming 5 times, going 5 times. Means double work or not? That means recursion is slower than the Normal, because of recursion working based on stack procedure. Okay, recursion working on stack necking or not. That's why recursion is slower than the normal function. Got it, guys? But recursion is a technique. Recursion is a technique which allows to find the results without using the. Due to that, program complexity reduced. Okay, program complexity reduced. And now it is how the factorial of 5 is working. I think everybody understood. Everyone understood? All right. Next, watch it, guys. This time I want to find out power value using recursion. Power. Okay. Then watch it, guys. How to find the power value? Long of function name. We need this time 2 variables. Base and power. 2 power 5. 2 is the base or not? And 5 is the power. No? We need 2 variables. Next. If p greater than or equal to 1, see that, return b into power of b comma p minus and return. Okay, now you are getting it out. Sir, we have to use return 1 only, no? We can use anything. Nothing. You have to use return 1. Why? Because last multiplication, watch it. Last multiplication means the last value going to multiply with 1. And now 120 into 1. 120 now. Suppose you are going to return 10 there. Now 120 into 10. 1200 coming. Okay. That's why I am going to end the program with what, guys? Okay, I will show you that. I will show you that. See this 2 power 5. 2 power 5 I want to find out. Actually 2 power 5, 32 now. Watch it. Right answer? 2 power 5, 32. Right answer now. Now watch it. How this example working. Okay. Just watch it. I'm going to explain this. How this example going to be work. Just take a look on this, guys. Suppose here b value is what? And p value 5. 5 greater than or equal to 1. Condition true. Now return b into b means into 2 into p minus 1. 4 na? And power is calling power na? Recursion technique again. And now tell me p value. 5, very good. 5 greater than, listen, 5, 4 greater than 1. Again true na? Then return b. B. Return b na? B into na? Now 2 into 2. 4 na? Later power of b comma p minus 1. P minus 1. 3. 3 greater than 1. Again true. Then return b into. Means 2 into na? P minus 1. 2. 2 greater than or equal to 1. Again true. Return b into 2 into. Now p minus 1. 1 equal to 1. Again true. B into 2 into no? Now listen. P minus 1. 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1. When condition false, return 1. Already into symbol is there now. Now tell me total answer. 30. Answer. Program finished? Come on, guys. Your program complete or not? And now tell me last multiplication. 1 or not? That's why your answer is like this. See that? Correct or not? Suppose do one small change. Return 10. Okay? Then answer should be 320. I think now there is a clarity. Okay? Because of it is the last stack expression. Last value multiplied with last return value. That's why you have to keep only which one? I think very clear. Right. It is how to find the okay power value using which technology? Recursion technique. Right. And now watch it. It is a okay. Another example also I'm going to give. Suppose this time the HR asked find the digits sum using recursion. Find digits sum using what? Recursion technique. That means what? Everybody take a look on this. Suppose I have entered 123. What are the digits available? 1 plus 2 plus 3. Answer 6. Can I say 6 is the digits sum? It is called, but the HR condition is using recursion or without using a loop. In interview, they are indirectly asking a question. Okay? Without using a loop. You immediately have to remember. Now watch it, guys. How to find out the digit sum using recursion. int sum equal to 0. Actually not required. Why? Because it is a global variable. Global variable starting value already 0. That's why again 0. Not required. Right? It is a global variable. The next function name int dsum. Digit sum. Now I am taking long because of we can handle big number. 10 digit number. Okay. Next watch it. If n not equal to 0, if n not equal to 0, then direct answer s equal to s plus n percentage 10. And now see this recursion d sum of n by d sum of n by 10. Now finally only one thing, return. Yes sir. Watch it guys. For example 125 digits sum equal to 8 na. Now see this d sum of 125. Okay. Right answer 125 digit sum. 8 or not? Right answer no. But how it is working? Okay. How this example working? And just watch it guys. I'm going to explain about it. It is your program guys. Okay. Now tell me guys S value 0. Okay. And N value 125. N value 125. 125 not equal to 0. True. 125 percentage 10. 5. Now 0 plus 5. Last digit na. Any number percentage 10 gives. Now in 125 last digit. That's a 0 plus 5. Next D sum. Calling the recursion technique. D sum calling D sum. Recursion. But before calling that by 10. By 10 means 5 is gone. Answer 12. 12 not equal to 0. True. Then S plus already S value plus 12 percentage 10. Then answer 7. Later D sum of n by 10. 1. 1 not equal to 0. True. S plus already S value plus n percentage 10. 1 percentage 10. 1 or not? And now D sum of n by 10. 1 also gone. Answer. Okay. Right. Now 8 here. And here now 1 answer. 1 is also gone. When 1 is also gone, answer 0. 0 not equal to 0. When condition false. Return S value no? And now tell me S value 8 or not? And this 8 returns to. Now total answer Clear now? Everyone understood? Like this. And one more thing, guys. Here you can enter the value at runtime also. Here directly I am giving example. To make faster, I am giving like this. It is your choice. Suppose see this long n, enter a number, scanf. Okay, now scanf percentage LD ampersand, and here d sum of n. Now watch it. Enter a number. You can enter any number, I said. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total answer is what? 15. 15 na? See that? Yes or no? Now watch it. This time. Okay. For example, minus 4587. Answer. Minus 24. Minus 4 plus minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 7. Here minus 4 plus 5. Minus 9. Minus 9 plus minus 8. Minus 17. Minus 17 plus 7. Minus 24. Right answer now. That's it. Okay, guys. It is called recursion technique. Got it? It is how the recursion is going to work. That's the recursion is nothing but the process of calling a function itself, and by using recursion technique also we can find out the results. It is a example. Okay. And now I'm adding the notes for this. Including examples also there in notes. Okay, guys. All the examples are there. Say this d sum function. Okay, power value. Okay, a factorial value, everything. Okay, guys. Example, explanation, everything is there. Right. And now watch it, guys. Okay, one more important topic. Nowadays, very, very important topic. Okay. When you are attending TCS, guaranteed question. Now, that is nothing but what? Command line arguments. Now, the topic name, command line arguments. Okay. Now, what is meant by command line argument topic? Okay. Now, say this. Passing parameters to main from command prompt. That's all. It is called command line argument concept. I want to pass the arguments or parameters. Argument, another name, parameter. No? Now I want to send the arguments to the main function. Logic, observe it. I am not sending to any other functions. I am sending value directly to main. Now you are getting it out. Sir, main is having arguments. Yes. But every day we are using empty brackets. Every day we are using main, empty bracket. No? But main having two arguments. What they are, how it is working, and where it is useful. Okay. Where this concept is useful. And now listen carefully. How to pass the argument. I said now, TCS guaranteed interview question. Okay. And now listen carefully. Here, how the command line arguments are working and what is the importance of command line argument. Nowadays, okay, the advanced languages are what? Java, .NET, Python or not? Say yes or no? They're working based on this technology. Especially Java, Python. Especially your Java, Python programs are working based on this concept. How can you say Java and Python working on command line arguments? Okay, first let me complete. Later you can understand what is the importance of command line arguments. Now everybody just watch it. First, what is called command line? What is called command line? 1 minute, tell me guys. Can I say it is Windows? Right now, which operating system I am using? Very good. Right now I am using Windows operating system. Listen. Okay. Nowadays Windows is there. Got it, guys? Mac is there. All these are called GUI. GUI full form, graphical user interface. Okay, but before Windows, everybody is using DOS and Unix operating systems. Okay, at the beginning days, we are using which operating systems? DOS, Unix. Once upon a time, they are very popular, but which are called CUI environments, which are also called CLI environment, means command character user interface or command line interface. Remember everybody, actually Windows, Linux, Mac, all these are called GUIs. All these are called because of graphical user interface is there. Because of, you know that in Windows, can we play the audio? In window, can I play the audio, video, colors, images? That kind of environment is called GUI environment. Now watch it. I'm going to show you this one. Here what it is, guys. Command prompt na? एक बार देखो. Okay. Actually, which color? Black with which, what color letters? It is called CUI. Black and white environment. Before Windows, everybody having this one only. Once upon a time, the programmer or user is using only this environment, only black and white, only black. And this environment is called CLI or CUI. Okay, that is nothing but what? Command line interface or character user interface. For example, guys, suppose I want to, okay, everybody observe it. I want to open this my computer. What I have to do? I want to open this PC. What I have to do? Double click on this. Just double click on this. Opened or not? For example, I want to delete this file. What I have to do? Just a delete button. Okay, otherwise right click, delete button. Yes or no? But once upon a time, it is not there. You have to write a command for each and everything. Each and everything, you have to write a command. For example, okay, nowadays to get the date, nothing is there. Here it is there. Yes or no? Date is visible. Okay, month means time also visible. No? Say yes or no? But once upon a time, it is not there. You are having this one. This one only, black and white. Okay, and how to get the date? Again, you have to write DATE date command. See that the date 2nd March. Okay, suppose to get the time, you have to enter TIME time. Now time display. To create a file, copy con command ABC something like this. Now file created. No notepad, no MS Word. Logic, observe it what I am saying. There is no notepad, there is no MS Word. How they are making files? Using this command, copy con. Means everything is command. Everything is to clear the screen CLS and to watch the files DIR command. To remove the file delete command. To rename the file rename command. Copy, move. So many commands you have to remember in brain. But nowadays, no remembering. Clicking only. Yes, you are moving the mouse. You are going to click on delete. Gaya. You want to copy the file. Drag kar diya. That is GUI power. That's why Windows become popular. Because of there is no need to seek commands. There is no need to remember command. Means once upon a time, for everything, you have to enter the commands. And command entered with characters. To enter the command, you have to push the characters now. That's why this environment is called CUI. Character user interface. Means user working interface area characters. Got it? But nowadays, GUI, graphical, colorful. Graphical means, got it now? Then how they are making these commands. For example, how the CLS command created, how date command created, how time command. That is command line arguments. Okay, these commands they are creating with the command line argument concept. Okay, then how they are making commands, I will show you. See that. For example, guys, in interview, the HR asked one small thing: find the n numbers sum from command prompt. It is called command prompt, guys. This one is called command prompt because of there you are entering commands. Got it? In that line you are entering command. That's why this one up to this one is called command prompt. And in this line you are entering now. That's why it is called command line. That's why it is called. For example, date. Now date visible or not? Why? Because already date command created. Already date command created. That's why date working. Okay. When time is given, time also working. But the HR question not this. Okay. Find n numbers sum from command prompt. It is an interview question. Find n numbers sum from command prompt. Okay. SUM sum of 1, 2, 3. Okay. See that it is giving error. Not recognized as an internal or external command. Because of some command not there. The HR asked, for example, find the factorial from command prompt. Suppose fact of 5. See that again error. Why? Because there is no sum command. There is no factorial command. Then the HR question is, you have to create that command. You have to create that command, guys. Then how to create the sum command and factorial command. Okay. Now watch it, guys. Everybody take a look on this. For example, I am putting sum of 1, 2. Actually expected answer 3. Expected answer 3 or not? But it is giving what? Error, no? Yes or no? Then how to solve this problem? See that. Everybody watch it carefully what I am saying. Just I'm going to give you first paint brush picture. Okay. Hash include st.h conio dot. Every day we are using main function, no? And obviously we are using empty bracket, no? But this time, first time, int argc. Okay, first argument int argc and second argument argv. argv. Now what is argc? argv. Okay, listen carefully. Everyone, listen carefully. What is argc? What is argv? Okay, now I am going to write the program like this. Suppose it is the command prompt, guys. We are having the command prompt like this. Suppose C colon some TC. Folder name, what it may be, no problem. Later, you are entering which command? Of 1 and. That's all, no? Come on. And I said it is command prompt, no? Yes. From command prompt, what you have entered? SUM. Sum, no? Later argument. Later argument. Totally how many arguments? 3. Totally 3, na? Listen carefully, everyone. 3. And now it is nothing but argc. Argument counter. ARG mean argument. C stands for counter. Okay. Logic very clear. Means it is counting how many arguments are there. Logic clear? ARGC stores the number of arguments. Right now, how many number of arguments are? That means ARGC value. Sorry. Okay. Now ARGC value becomes 3. 1 minute. Okay. Now watch it, guys. ARGC is going to store number of arguments. For example, Here I am going to give the same example. ARGC is nothing but 3. Counter 3 means argument count. Next, second one is there na ARGV. Now what is that ARGV? Okay, void main int ARGC char star ARGV. What it is first of all? 1 minute. I need a small clarity. Now tell me what it is. Everybody knows. Character array. It is nothing but, and character array is nothing but string variable. How many character you can store? In that example, how many character we can store? 20. 20 means one character or more than one character. More than one character means group of characters. And group of characters string. It is string variable. It is a 1 minute. Tell me guys. I think string is internal pointer. String is internal. Why? Because string variable always keeps the base address. Na? Very clear. Now tell me guys. It is what guys? Very good. What it is? I think double pointer. Already string is a pointer. One more star. Double pointer. And where we have used a double pointer? Where we have used this double pointer concept? Anybody? Online and offline students. Where we have used this double pointer to handle the dynamic two-dimensional array. Okay. Already we have created malloc, calloc, realloc. We have used a double pointer in dynamic multi-dimensional or two-dimensional array. What is called two-dimensional? Array with several rows and several columns. Array with several rows and it is called two-dimensional. I think it is a two-dimensional character array. Yes, it is a two-dimensional. And two-dimensional array containing what? Rows and very good. Now watch it. It is nothing but ARGV. And it is the first row. And it is the second row. Just assume. It is the second row. It is the third row. It is a fourth row like this. Now tell me guys, array index number always starts with 0. Then can I say it is ARGV of 0? Yes, ARGV of 0 row, first row. Next, ARGV of 2. Now ARGV of n. N number of rows like this. Got it? Right, 1 minute. Now listen carefully. Okay, here first argument is what guys? SUM. Now that sum is going to store in ARGV of 0. That means, can I write sum? Come on. Letter 1 is there now. Now this 1 is going to store in ARGV of, and now next one is 2 na, that is going to store in. That's all guys. 3 rows. The 3 arguments stored in 3 rows. Everyone understood or not? Up to this clear? And now tell me, ARGC means? ARGC means argument counter. Argument? And how many arguments? 3 are. Argument ARGV mean? Argument vector. Argument and vector is a array. Vector is nothing but array. Got it? That's why it is a two-dimensional character array. ARGV is a two-dimensional character array. Up to this, everybody clear? Next procedure. Watch it. Next procedure I am going to start. Now bracket open. Bracket open, guys. Now the program started. Watch it. I want to find out 1 plus 2, no? Yes or no? And where the 1, guys? ARGV of 1. And where the 2? ARGV of 2, no? Then watch it. INT S equal to 0. Some value starting 0. Now it is the important thing. Looping variable I common. Next watch it. I equal to 1. Not 0. Why? Because our requirement 1 plus 2. And 1 stored in 1 index. 2 stored in 2 index. And in 0 index we are having SUM sum. We doesn't need SUM. We need 1 and 2 now. And 1 stored in. That's why I value 1. I less than ARGC. Tell me right now ARGC value 3. But I am giving less than 3. एक बार check कर लो. Less than 3 means कहाँ तक? 2 only. Logic very clear. Less than 3 means up to 2. Up to 2 means up to this one. Okay. Later, as usual. And it is the most important thing. S plus, watch it. Most important thing. A to I of ARGV of I. First time we are using this one. Okay. A to I. Now you are getting it out. Sorry. A to I क्या है? Argument to integer. A means argument. 2, I means integer. Means convert the given argument to integer value. Why? Why the A to I function required? And it belongs to stdlib.h. Okay. Which header file? Standard library. It belongs to stdlib. But first of all, why we need this one? First you have to know that. No? Listen everybody carefully. Right now, number 1 and 10 where they are stored. Okay. Otherwise, I am giving more clarity to avoid the confusion. 10 or 20. Okay. I want to find out 10 plus 20 sum. I think it is nothing but 10 or not. And it is nothing but 20, no? To avoid the collision, I am using like this. Here ARGV1, ARGV2. And values also 1, 2 means you are getting confusion. Now there is a clear clarity. ARGV of 1 having 10 and 2 having 1 minute. Everybody watch it carefully and give me the right answer. Right now, 10, where it is? ARGV of 1, very good. ARGV of, and I think ARGV is this one. No? ARGV is a, ARGV is a character. What guys? ARGV is a character or not? And now I need a small clarity. Okay. ARGV is a character. Na? One small doubt I am having. 10 integer character. Actually 10 integer character. Integer. But right now where it is? Right now where it is? In ARGV of 1. And ARGV of 1 what type? Character type. Okay. That means 10 is right now. Character. But actually 10 character integer. Now we have to convert into. That's why A to I. Finish. Argument to integer value. Now there is a clarity. Why the A to I required? Suppose you want to convert into float. A to F. Some members are attending. Java na? System.out. Parse int. Not, it is not started in Java. Parse integer. No. No problem. You are going to get in Java also. Here we are using int na. There parse integer, parse float. like that. Okay, guys. And now tell me A to I converts that data into what? Integer or not? And now tell me ARGV of I value. I value 1. In 1 which number is there? And now S value already 0 plus 10. 0 plus 10, 0. Right. And now 0 plus 10. 10 or not? And later I plus plus. I value becomes 1 or 2. Mardalunga. Already I value 1 hai na. 2. 2 pe kya hai? 20 or not? 10 plus 20. Now I value become 3. 3 less than 3. Then finish. Printf. S value. Program finish na. Now S value is what? S value is what I am asking. 30 or not? Your program. Complete? Huh? And now listen. Important thing. Program completed. Yes. No doubt. Program completed. After writing the program, you are going to save the program now. Now listen. Important thing. When you are going to save this program, enter the name sum.c. It is the name what I am using here. And it is the name which is stored here. Now got it? What is sum here? File name. The sum is nothing but the file name, guys. Whatever the name you are providing, the same name you are going to call it command prompt. Suppose you are going to add add here. File name add.c. At command prompt also add 1020. Understood now? It is file name. Whatever the name you are giving to file, the same name you have to call at command prompt. Clear everyone? Now watch it. Practical I am going to give this. Up to this everybody clear? Right. Now come to programming. int s value starting and looping variable. Do one thing. Printf number of equal to percentage d comma argc. Already I said argc means counter. Now it is going to print or not? Later watch it. For loop I value starting 1 and here stdlib required. Okay now? Next I value 1, I less than I and s equal to of. Now finally sum equal to program finished. Now saving important. Okay, save the program. Everybody watch it. Okay, get ch not compulsory. Now save the program. Now suppose which file? Same name you have to call sum. Okay, yes. Now see this sum.c created or not? Sum.c created or not? Yes, no doubt. It have created the file called sum.c. Next important thing. Save completed now? Generally C program. After that, after saving the program, what you are doing? Compilation. What guys? After saving the program, what you are doing? And then compile the program. Okay. Second important thing. First save. Compulsory save. Later compile. Watch it. Any warning or error? No. Next is execution. Run. Now run the program. Okay guys? Finish. Watch it. Sum 0 printed or not? And number of arguments. Why? Number of arguments 1. Actually, you have given any argument? You have given any argument, but it is showing. Why? File name. We are executing the file name now. We are executing a sum.c file now. And first argument always file name. That's why it is an interview question. What is the default number of command line arguments? Remember, the default number of command line arguments 1 because of file name compulsory. Okay, at least file name compulsory. And you have given 1020 like that. That's a sum starting value. 0 printed. Okay, finishing up to this. Now most important thing. Click on file menu. Click on file menu. Okay. Go to OS shell. Go to OS shell or dot shell. Okay. Means operating system shell. Command prompt. Watch it. Command prompt visible. I said it is a command prompt now. Okay. And now file name is what? Samna. Now 10 and same program. Previously we are getting error for this. Unrecognized command. Now watch it. Finished. Number of arguments. 3. First, second, third. And sum equal to. Now watch it. Sum of 1, 2, 3. For example, 9G. Okay, 9. Now how many arguments? 6. Yes or no? And answer is 21. Right answer? I think now there is a clarity. Huh? There is a clarity. And now can I say like this? I have created some command. I have created command called some or not. It is once upon a time what they are using in DOS and Unix. In once upon a time, DOS and Unix operating system, how they are making commands? Using this command line arguments. Using this command line arguments concept. I think everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay. And next guys. Now, nowadays, why this one is important? Nowadays, we are using Windows now, most probably. Yes or no? Huh? Then why it is once upon a time DOS Unix. Once upon a time DOS and Unix. Nowadays, there is no DOS, little bit only. Unix somewhere only. Okay. Most probably we are using Windows. Then why it is popular still? Okay. Because of your every Java program, command line argument. Your Python program, command line argument. How can you say Java program command line argument? Logic simple. Okay. Actually, in Java, you are going to start like this. Public static void main of string bracket args. Remember that. Every Java program should have to start with public static void main bracket में string bracket args. क्या है? Our C command line argument. Here we are using argv na. We are calling argv na. That is in Java args guys. Okay. At least tell me. In Java already some members are there. Actually in Java string data type is there or not? Yes. In C there is no string data type. Only character data type is there. And group of characters is called string na. But in Java, they have introduced a string or not? Bracket the string क्या है? String is a data type. And args. Arg means what? Argument. S mean string. Here V means vector. Vector I said the 2-dimensional. Vector is a 1 minute. One small doubt. Actually string means what? Group of any more definitions? Alphanumeric. And one more definition is there. Anybody? Character array. क्या है जी? हाँ? String is a character. Means already string is a character array na? Then in Java they are putting one more bracket. क्या है? 2-dimensional character array. Huh? Now tell me, every Java program, command line argument. How can you say? Now listen. Actually, you are creating Java program now. For example, abc.java. Tell me, Java comes with its own compiler or editor. Okay, editor. Java is having any editor? No. You are writing Java program in Notepad, Edit to Edit plus Eclipse. Okay, right. Now you are going to write in suppose Notepad. You are writing the Java program in Notepad. Later You are coming to command prompt again, and there you are writing Java C abc.java. Yes or no? Yes, and it is what? Java compiler file. Java compiler, and which file it is compiling? Now abc.class file created. Yes or no? Say yes or no. And now tell me, guys. Actually, it is what, guys? Command prompt. Command. And it is a command line arguments. Where they are going to? You know that? ARGS. In previous example, SUM sum 10, 10 P. Where they are going to? Main function. It is an example, na guys. Sum goes to ARGV of 0, na? And ARGV of 0, where I have used main. Got it now? That means, now tell me, every Java program, command line argument. Yes or no? Next. Now, how can you say Python program is command line argument? Okay. Some members are editing Python. Am I right? Yes. Now watch it. Here in Python, when shell script is going, okay, you are having prompting like this, which is called chevron prompt. Which is called chevron prompt. And here you are entering print of hi. Answer is what? Hi. It is Python program. Then A क्या है? Prompt. Prompt. In Java we are calling command prompt. In C we are calling command prompt. In Python they have name changed. That's all. Chevron prompt, which is officially command prompt. Which is officially, and that means your every Python program command line argument. That is command line. Yes or no? That's why in Java also command line argument topic is there. Again you are getting that. In Python also you are getting that. Again this topic is there. Okay? And every, remember, all the 90% of TCS programs are Java programs. 90% of TCS programs means projects and Java working under command prompt. That's why still command line argument very, very important. Got it, everyone? It is a command line argument importance. I think up to this clear. But one more thing also I want to discover here. What is that? Actually, right now I'm using which compiler? Turbo compiler. Am I right? But in your system, it is not working. You have downloaded Turbo C++. Am I right? It doesn't support. exe file not generated there. That's why it is not working. Then how to do the same example in Dev C++ I'm showing. Watch it, listen. In your system, command line arguments not working right now. Turbo C. Right now your Turbo C++ not supporting because of some problems are there. Hardware settings. Because of right now everybody is using Windows 10, 11. Windows 10 and their compiler sizes are different. 64-bit Windows. Say yes or no. Your Windows system is 64-bit, guys, but C developed for 8-bit compiler, 16-bit, 8 and 16-bit, DOS based. Okay, 8 and 16-bit compilers, DOS based. But Windows comes with 32, 64. Understood? That's why your system doesn't support. Then how to solve it? How to solve this problem? In Dev C++, I'm showing. Okay, everybody observe it. How to do the command line arguments in Dev C++. Watch it, guys. First, I'm going to take this example. Our file name sum.cm, right? Right. First, I want to copy this file. Same example, na? Yes. Now it is the same example. Right. Now I'm going to open Dev C++. Everybody observe it, guys. Because of your compiler doesn't support. That's why I'm showing this one in Dev C++ compiler. Okay. Now watch it. First open the Dev C++ and here open a fresh file, source file. Now you are getting and code just download that. Means type the program. But here don't use void main. Don't use void main. Dev C++ doesn't support that. And next, remaining program same to same. Okay, remaining program same to same. Save the program. For example, which file? Sum.c. Okay, save. File saved or not? File saved. But which name? Later compile the program. Watch it, guys. Any error or warning? See that? Okay, F9 button, guys. Okay, I'm giving that one also. What you have to press? For later F10. For otherwise simple step. Compile and run. Both are happening. At a time, your process completed. Okay. Now save the program. First compile the program. Later run the program. Watch it. Number of arguments again. And sum equal to. Any error or warning? Why? Because we have not passed any values. That's why number of arguments. Okay, now? Then how to send the parameters to the Dev C++ environment? Watch it. It is the solution. Go to the, okay guys, go to the 1 minute, see that. Everybody, go to the execute option. Go to execute menu. Visible, guys? Their parameters visible. Their parameters visible now. Click on this one and enter the parameters. For example, 1, 2, 3. Suppose you want to find out sum of 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Okay. Now run the program. Finish. Everybody observe it, guys. You are getting the answer or not? Right answer. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6. How many arguments? 4. Because of sum 1, 2, 3. Total. Clear now? It is how to do this one. Okay. I'm adding this one also. Okay. Go to click on execute menu. Later enter the values. Okay. Next. Run the program or not? That's all. It is how to do the same example in Dev C++. I think this example clear. Come on, guys. Okay. It is how to find out the sum of n numbers from command prompt. From command. Next, watch it. I want to find out factorial. Okay. I want to find out factorial. Second example, observe it, guys. I'm going to give that one also. Watch it. It is the program I'm going to write. Direct program. Function name, file name. Fact. Okay. Now, and one more thing. You are getting it out. Sorry, ARGC means what? Argument counter. ARGV means? Now your doubt is, sir, we have to use the same names. Not at all. You can give any name. Why? Because they are local variables and variable name given by user only. Variable name. Who is designing variables? Means who is declaring variables. That means user can declare any variable. That's why I'm changing the name. See that? In place of ARGC, C mean count. C mean. And in place of ARGV, every day we are using S na string. Okay. Now the name changed or not? Now listen. Now listen carefully. It is command prompt. Everybody observe it, guys. It is the command prompt. C:/TC. Now fact of 3. That's all. Fact of. Now tell me anybody. Fact where it is stored. Okay. No problem. Now here fact and here 3. That means fact stored in 0 and 3 stored in 1 or not. But in our example, name change. It is S of 0 and it is S of 1 or not. And now same program, small change. See that, guys? Now long n. Why? Because, guys, bigger number also. Now long n. And now it is important thing. int n equal to a2 I of S of 1. That's all. Now tell me, in S of 1, which one is there, guys? 3. S of 1 having. Now that 3 converted into integer or not? 3 converted into and stored in. Now n value 3 now. Program finish. While n greater than 1, f equal to f into n minus minus. Post decrement of pre now. Tell me f value starting. Oh. F value starting 1 into right now n value 3. 1 into 3. Later n minus minus. 3 into 2. 6. Now n minus minus. 1 greater than 1. Then printf percentage LD comma. Right now f value 6. Right now factorial value 6. Watch it, guys. Our program working or not. First save the program, compile the program and run the program. Answer, see that factorial 1 or not. Why? Because already starting value 1, f value, we are not given any value now. Starting value 1 printed. And now go to which one? OS shell or dot shell. And file name is what? And enter. Finished? Now fact of 8. I said 8 factorial 40,320. That's why I've taken long integer. Program completed. And now listen. Now listen. Last program. Okay. It is the recently asked question. The HR TCS, they asked in TCS. For example, you have to enter, suppose A, B, C, something, any string. The HR question is print ABC as A space, B space, C and length equal to. In ABC, how many letters? 3 letters. In ABC, we are having 3 letters. But the HR question, not only length, spaces, using command line arguments. It is a condition. The condition is what? Find the string length using command line arguments, guys. Okay. Then watch it. How to find out this example. Everybody see this? I'm going to explain about it. A file name is what, for example? Len. Length, I want to find out length. Okay. Now len, guys. And which string I have entered? ABC. Now one small doubt. It is ARGV now. Actually, ARGV is what in our example? 2-dimensional character array. And 2-dimension contains what? Very good. Rows and. That means 1 minute, everybody. Observe it carefully what I am going to explain. Up to this clear now? Next, watch it. Now tell me, guys. A 2-dimensional array containing what? Rows and. I think these are the columns. I think this one is nothing but 0 column. And it is. Now file name is what? N. Lenna. And string is AB. And as usual, up to this clear? Up to this clear? Now watch it. I'm going to start the program. First, I want to explain here. Okay, same to same. void void int gb. Okay now? Okay, next watch it. int looping variable int. Watch it guys, how much easy. I equal to 0. Watch it carefully. argv of 1 of I not equal to null character I plus plus. That's all. 1 minute, tell me guys. A, B, C. Right now, in which row? First row, 1. A, B, C in argv of 1. Logic very clear. Now A is in argv of 1, 0. A position. argv of 1, 0. It is what I said. 1. I tell me guys. 1, 0. Which letter? A not equal to null character. True. Then printf percentage C space space. 1 space otherwise. User, the HR question. Space also. The HR question. Now percentage C space. Later, same to same. argv of 1 I. Tell me, in 1, 0, which character? A printed now? Later, A plus I plus plus. 1, 1, 1. B printed, space also printed. Next, I plus plus. 2, 1, 2. C printed, space printed. Now listen, I value 3. But in 3, which letter? Null character. Null character not equal to null character. False or not? Now coming to outside, printf. It's over. Percentage di. Right now I value 3 or not? A, B, C, length equal to. Finish. Your program completed. That's all guys. Just check it out. Our program working properly or not. File name is what? Len. Now stdlib required or not required? Because of A to I not there. There is no need to convert into integer. Direct character operation. And now long n. Okay, int I only required. Okay. I equal to 0 and argv. Oh, sorry. Your name changed now? Or variable name? Yes, sir. S of 1 of I not equal to null character now? I. Now printf percentage C space. Percentage C space and S of 1 I. Bracket close and final touch. Percentage D comma. Save the program. Okay. Compile the program. Warning common. What is that warning? argc warning. Because of we are not using argc. It is there in program or not? But we are using that. That's why C is assigned a value which is never used. Okay. Parameter C never used, or C is assigned a value which is never used warning. See that? Parameter C is never used or not? It is a common. Now run the program. Right now, length 0, see that? No string is given. That's the answer. Now give the string. Go to file menu, OSL, and len file name Kishore. That's all. In Kishore, how many letters? Finish. In between every character, there is a space or not? It is the same to same question in TCS. It is a question they have given. Okay. It is about command line arguments concept. Got it? Everybody clear now? Right. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to conduct the remaining examples. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the next chapter, guys. Until that, take care and bye bye. I'm adding the notes for this. Okay. Thank you all. Okay, you can move, no problem. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.